It's your boy Bender, Street and Trail Motorsports for Showin Off In Seconds. Today we got a 2017 Indian Scout 60. It's about 1,000 cc, 78 horsepower. Got a nice metallic reflection in that 3.3 gallon tank right there. Comes with quick detach saddlebags, as you can see right there, along with the nice little weather strip in there, so it's nice. So let's crank her up real quick for you so you can see it. As you can see, looking at about 6,000 miles on there. Ooh-wee. She a grumbler. She a grumbler. Give her a lump. Oh yeah. So come on down, check her out. Get your financing, get a test ride if you need, and we'll see y'all. Check you later.